Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create trending glass shutter effect on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare your video, a video of you that punch toward the camera. And after you have prepared your video, you can open up your InShot and then we can create new project on InShot. And I'm just going to add my punch video. This is not my video actually. I have just downloaded from the internet. But for you, you can use your own video. Okay, oops. Sorry guys. And then I'm going to change the canvas or the ratio. I'm going to go to the canvas and I'm going to choose this ratio. Okay. And now it's time to add shake effect to this video. I'm going to add shake effect here. I'm gonna go to the effect and select effect and go to the shake, and for example I'm going to add cam shake. Okay, and then I'm going to add glass shutter effect. We can go to the effect again and then go to the glass, go to the glass category, and then you can choose this one, shatter. Okay, and then you can adjust the effect. I'm going to play it. Okay, I think I'm going to add it right here. Okay, and then to make it more natural, we can add glass break sound. If you want to add sound, you can go to the audio and then select effect, and then I'm going to choose glass break effect. The glass break effect is, wait, I'm just going to search it to make it faster. Okay, glass break or smash glass. Okay, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to play it. Okay, you can adjust the effect with the sound effect. Okay, like this, and let's play again. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Okay, and then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export and then you can choose the resolution and you can click on export to save the video to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create trending glass shutter effect on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!